Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. COVID-19 cases in India dipped below 55,000 in a single day on Tuesday after the country recorded over 60,000 cases daily for 4 days on the trot, according to the Union Health Ministry data. With the fresh cases, India's COVID-19 tally rose to 22.68 lakh, while the recoveries has surged to 15,83,489, pushing the recovery rate to 69.80%. The total coronavirus cases in the country have increased to 22,68,675, with 53,601 infections being reported in a day, while the death toll climbed to 45,257, with 871 new fatalities being reported in a span of 24 hours, the data updated at 8 a.m. showed. The case fatality rate dropped below 2% and was recorded at 1.99% as on date. India has crossed the 20 lakh mark on August 7. There are 6,39,929 active cases of coronavirus infection in the country presently, which comprise 28.21% of the total caseload in the country. According to the ICMR, a cumulative total of 2,45,83,558 samples have been tested up to August 9, with 4,77,023 samples being tested on Monday. Celebrated Urdu poet Rahat Indori, whose simple and lucid couplets attracted a huge fan following in India and abroad, died on Tuesday, his son said. The 70-year-old teacher turned poet who was being treated for COVID-19 died of a heart attack at a hospital in Indore, said his son Satlaj Indori, also a poet. Among Rahat Indori's most powerful lines were, "सभी का खून है शामिल यहाँ की मिट्टी में, किसी के बाप का हिंदुस्तान थोड़ी है. Everybody's blood mingle in the soil here. Hindustan does not belong solely to anyone." Indori, who recited couplets in a very expressive style, was admitted to the hospital on Tuesday morning after he tested positive for the disease. He was admitted for coronavirus treatment but died after suffering a heart attack, Satlaj Indori told. Indian hockey team forward Mandeep Singh, who tested positive for COVID-19, has been admitted to a hospital in Bangalore after his blood oxygen level dropped, but his condition is stable, the Sports Authority of India said on Tuesday. Mandeep and 5 other national players, Captain Manpreet Singh, defenders Surendra Kumar and Jaskaran Singh, drag flicker Varun Kumar and goalkeeper Krishna Bahadur Pathak, tested positive for COVID-19 last week after reaching Bangalore for the national camp, which starts on August 20. During night monitoring of vitals on August 10, it was found that Mandeep Singh's blood oxygen level was dropping below normal, which indicated that he is moving from mild to moderate severity of COVID, the SAI said in a statement. SAI authorities on campus took an immediate decision to shift him to SSS Sparsh Multi-Speciality Hospital as a precautionary measure. His condition is currently stable, added the statement. The Supreme Court on Tuesday reserves its order on Riya Chakrabarti plea for transfer of FIR in Sushant Singh Rajput death case from Bihar to Mumbai. After day-long marathon arguments, the Apex Court asked all parties to submit written notes by Thursday. Veteran sports journalist G.K. Menon died in suburban Mumbai on Tuesday morning. He was 93 and is survived by his wife, son and a daughter. He worked with the Indian Express and the Times of India and ended his freelance career in early 1990s. Menon played cricket at the club level and also was an active member of the Shivaji Park Gymkhana in Dadar, central Mumbai. He was the manager of 1952-53 Bombay University team, which won the Rohinton Baria Trophy by beating Delhi in the final at Bangalore. That side included future test players like Chandu Patankar, Nari Contractor, Ramnath Kenny, Naren Tamhane and G.R. Sundaram. Menon was also instrumental in the emergence of former India pacer late Ramakant Desai. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.